Ever wondered how to power your greenhouse without raising your electricity bill? Today's video reveals the top 5 solar panel kits for greenhouses. Smart, sustainable, and budget-friendly options that transform sunlight into year-round energy. Welcome to the channel. All product links are in the description. Don't miss the one perfect for you. The number 5 product on our list is Ayahoomane Solar Panel Kit. Looking for serious solar power that won't back down in tough weather? The Ayahoomane 400-watt solar panel kit might just be your greenhouse's new best friend. Among the top 5 solar panel kits for greenhouse, this one stands out with rugged ETFE lamination that resists heat, scratches, and moisture, so your crops stay warm and powered year-round. And we love how it folds neatly despite packing a serious punch, with up to 23.5% conversion efficiency. Whether it's charging your grow lights or backup batteries, its versatile connectors pair smoothly with popular brands like Bluetti and Jackery. It's not the lightest at over 30 pounds, but the build quality and weather resistance make it a smart investment for growers who want performance and peace of mind. If reliability matters more than ultralight portability, this one is truly worth considering. Number 4 is Keshoyal Solar Panel Kit. Imagine powering your greenhouse with something that folds like a magazine and weighs less than your backpack. That's the magic of the Keshoyal 60-watt solar panel kit. As part of our top 5 solar panel kit for greenhouse lineup, this ultra-portable panel brings surprising efficiency and unmatched flexibility. Whether you're running a fan or recharging your greenhouse sensors, it delivers peace of mind with its 23.5% conversion rate, even on cloudy days. The twin USB ports and included DC adapters make it a versatile tool for both gardening and off-grid adventures. Its slim build and included clips let you hang it anywhere with ease. While it's not built for powering large setups, it's a brilliant choice for supplemental energy needs. If you want reliable solar support without bulk, this panel deserves your serious consideration. The third one on our list is MARBERO Solar Panel Kit. What if your greenhouse never had to fear cloudy days again? The MARBERO 200-watt solar panel kit earns its place in the top 5 solar panel kit for greenhouse list by delivering consistent power even when the sun hides. With a 23% conversion rate, this panel turns solar rays into real, usable energy efficiently. I loved how the smart IC chip auto-adjusts for safety and optimal charging, relieving that constant fear of device overload. Built with durable pet-coated panels and IP68 waterproof Oxford fabric, it's made for rugged outdoor use, yet folds like a travel bag for easy storage. It's lighter than it looks and way more powerful than you'd expect. If you're tired of unpredictable power and need a solar solution that performs rain or shine, this kit feels like peace of mind in a foldable form. Number 2 is Eco-Worthy Solar Panel Kit. Ever imagine powering your greenhouse with just 4 hours of sunlight? The Eco-Worthy Solar Panel Kit turns that dream into reality, producing up to 800 watt-hours daily, perfect for growers who demand reliability. In our top 5 solar panel kit for greenhouse lineup, this kit stands out for its durability thanks to a corrosion-resistant frame and IP65 protection that handles wind and snow with ease. It feels like investing in peace of mind, especially with its simple plug-and-play setup. The monocrystalline cells hit over 21% efficiency, and the included brackets and wiring make installation a breeze. Whether you're powering fans, lights, or backup systems, this kit has your back. Ideal for anyone seeking long-term, efficient, off-grid power for their greenhouse, this one's smart, strong, and worth every penny. Now, moving to the last one is Solar Panel Kit. Imagine turning sunshine into peace of mind for your greenhouse. SOLPERK's 200-watt solar panel kit makes that vision real. Ranked in our top 5 solar panel kit for greenhouse, it captures up to 30% conversion efficiency using grade A+ monocrystalline cells. That's not just powerful, it's future-proof. Whether you're powering fans, lights, or backup batteries, this kit connects seamlessly with all major 12-volt systems, including lithium and lead acid. Built with a tough aluminum alloy frame and shatter-resistant tempered glass, it thrives in anything from summer heat to freezing winters. What I truly love is how beginner-friendly the setup feels with its pre-drilled holes and connector leads. For gardeners seeking energy independence with zero stress, SOLPERK offers smart performance and long-term durability. An absolute no-brainer for any serious greenhouse owner. For reliable greenhouse power, SOLPERK Solar Panel Kit stands out as the smartest, most durable choice, sun-powered peace of mind guaranteed. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 solar panel kit for greenhouse. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.